Halogen. হইল নিশি অবসান, নূতন রবি কিরণে উদ্ভাসিত পূর্ব গগন, সুপ্রভাতে প্রতীক্ষার আজি অবসান। নব বসন্তের নব আমন্ত্রণে জাগিল নব আশার মঞ্জরি দল, দিকে দিগন্তরে ধরিল সঙ্গীত, আসিয়াছি আমি ঋতুরাজ বসন্ত।
নমস্কার, গুরুজনদের শ্রদ্ধা আর সবাইকে অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা। Welcome this beautiful spring morning in the salubrious surrounding of the Empress Garden to celebrate spring, to serenade spring. This couldn't have happened if you stayed in your homes. So when we celebrate spring, the garden is the best place. But to see the color of spring in the trees, the earth, the sky, you need to leave your home. You need to hear the birds chirping. You need to hear the butterfly fluttering the wings. You need to hear the bees buzzing. And if you are a little quiet, you can even hear the buds blooming. So here we are, all of us together. Let's bring spring together into our hearts, into our soul. Ore Grihobashi. We bring a slice of Shantiniketan to you, and just the way the festival starts in Koviguru Shantiniketan, we will have the singers and dancers who dance amidst you, and there are them who are on the dais in front of you dancing to Ore Grihobashi.